In today's competitive digital landscape, standing out as a small business can be tough. हेलो, आपका हमारे चैनल पे फिर से स्वागत है, जहां हम स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर्स को ई-कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री में लीडर्स बनाने में मदद करते हैं। आज हमारा फोकस डिस्टिंक्ट ब्रांड लैंग्वेज पे होगा, उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस क्या होती है, हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू कैन बिल्ड वन, व्हाई इज अ डिस्टिंक्ट ब्रांड लैंग्वेज सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू टू स्टैंड आउट। A distinct brand language is more than just words and phrases. It's a platform for you to showcase your brand's personality, values and mission. अगर आपकी टारगेट ऑडियंस आपके ब्रांड से इमोशनली कनेक्ट कर पा रही है, it helps in building trust and loyalty. At the end of the day, customers वो ही ब्रांड चूज करते हैं जिस पे वो ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं। Studies have also found out that a consistent brand language helps boost business revenue by 10 to 20%. Let's take Tata Tea's Jago Re campaign for example. The tone of voice helped them position as a catalyst of social change and resonated with the youth. Consistency maintain करने से टाटा टी की ब्रांड रिकॉग्निशन को पॉजिटिवली इम्पैक्ट हुआ। सिर्फ एक स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांड लैंग्वेज से आपके बिजनेस को कितने बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं? So how exactly do you create a brand language that stands out? Let's get into it. Number 1, define your brand messaging strategy. This includes your value, mission, and unique value proposition. This will help convey your brand in the most authentic way. Number 2, get to know your audience and tailor your language to resonate with them. Find out कि आपकी टारगेट ऑडियंस कौन से एज ग्रुप में है, कौन सी सिटीज में रहती है, उनके पेन पॉइंट्स, प्रेफरेंसेस क्या हैं. Number 3, define your brand voice and tone. For example, a casual streetwear brand may use informal language and slang, whereas a luxury jewelry brand may use more of an empowering formal language. Think of Zomato as an example. Their push notification and social media activity has made it evident that their tone of voice is playful and humorous. Their ability to connect with the younger generation has established a strong brand personality that has led to rapid growth in the food delivery market. Number 4, structure brand guidelines. ये आपकी ब्रांडिंग के go-to manual जैसा हो सकता है to ensure consistency across team members and platforms. इसमें आप brand voice, tone, grammar rules, vocabulary, key themes, media elements और style preferences include कर सकते हैं. Number 5, craft a memorable brand language. Use storytelling techniques like characters, narratives, and the hero's journey to engage your audience and evoke emotion that resonate with your brand values. Amul achieves this tactic with Amul Girl, who finds herself in everyday situation or challenges that many Indians can relate to. ऐसी storytelling से आपकी audience आपके brand को याद रखेगी simply because they can relate to it. Number 6, keep evaluating and adapting. While your brand language should be consistent, it should not be rigid. Make sure it stays relevant to your audience. Feedback लेके और engagement metrics को analyze करके make sure आप market trends पे on track रहें. For instance, Dove is a brand that started focusing on promoting inclusivity and diversity with its Real Beauty campaign. This shift helped the brand to appeal to a wider audience, position themselves as champions of inclusivity, and create an even more positive brand image. In the case of Dove, changing consumer values and societal trends was the reason to adapt. But ये reasons हर brand के लिए अलग हो सकते हैं. Reasons चाहे जो भी हो, goal एक ही है, to continue to stay relevant to your audience. So, invest in brand language development because that is how you can establish a unique identity and position your business for success. And remember, it's not about what you sell, it's about the story you tell, the emotions you evoke, and the connection you build for and with your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Commerce by Amazon for more content on building a thriving brand.